everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 461 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Santee Brow Gel Mascara that I'm going to be trying out, and I got this from ShopMissA, so this was only $1 and it's cruelty free. This only comes in 4 different shades. I got it in the shade 1 Blonde, which this does not look very blonde to me. But I feel like when it comes to eyebrow products, I can wear a range of different colors. It also helps that I have just like a range of colors in my hair, so I can kind of match any color really. And depending on how dark the product is, I can just use a little bit, so hopefully I can make do with this. But I love eyebrow products. They're one of my favorite makeup products to use. Therefore, I try out a lot of different ones, and brow gels especially are a product that I need to wear every single day. So right now, my eyebrows look a little crazy because I've filled one eyebrow in using my regular eyebrow pencil. This eyebrow I've left natural, so I'm gonna try this tinted brow gel both ways. So let's see how this applicator looks. Okay, so it's not as small as I typically like, but it's not super big, and I do like that it gets kind of pointy at the top, so it should be pretty precise. So I'm gonna start out by brushing it through. Oh, that's a lot of pigment. Let's try and blend that out. But brushing it through the brow that does not have any eyebrow product in it yet. Oh gosh. I was a little bit hopeful of this brush applicator, but it is really messy. And this is like, yikes, this is really, really bad. And it's drying down really quickly, and it's like flaking. Oh, that looks really, really bad. Wow, absolute fail over there. But let's try this eyebrow. I'm not even gonna dip this applicator back in because I wanna go in with as little product as possible. But wow, this formula is so flaky. All it is just adding like what looks like little powder pieces into my eyebrow right now. It's not coating the brow hairs. Yikes. Okay, this is crazy. So applicator doesn't work well. The formula does not work to hold my brow hairs in place. It's super messy. The color is weird, and it doesn't look natural in the eyebrows because of that texture where it looks like it's turned to a powder. I mean, surprisingly, it's dried down, so there's no transfer. But gosh, this is definitely the worst brow gel I have tried, and I've tried out lots of good ones. I've tried out some great dollar store brow gels, and this one is a surprising disappointment. So also, I'm really disappointed in the shade range of this. So if you're looking for a brow gel, skip this one. The Santee Brow Gel Mascara is a no-go for me. But hey, it's been a while since I've had such a bad product fail, and they're bound to happen when I'm trying a new makeup product every single day. But let me know in the comments down below what your favorite brow gels are. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.